Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you insert a new chart into a worksheet, the entire chart is initially selected. The Chart Tool's contextual tabs then appear within the ribbon. 2 or 3 drop-down buttons then also appear at the right side of the chart. When editing charts, the first task with which to familiarize yourself is selecting chart elements. Note that a chart is not a single object, but rather is a complex object comprised of many smaller selectable objects. You must know exactly which chart element is selected before starting any procedure like formatting or editing the chart. One way to select chart objects is by using your mouse. You can click the individual chart elements to select them. To select the entire chart, click into the chart area. The chart area is the blank area surrounding most of the actual chart elements. When the chart area is selected, you can then perform functions that affect the entire chart, like moving the chart or formatting its background. Inside the chart area is the plot area. The plot area is the area inside the chart area where the actual graphic representation of your data appears. Inside the plot area, you can click the graphic of the plotted data to select a chart series. You can then click an individual data point in a data series to select it. Note that all the other chart elements are also independently selectable, like the chart titles, data labels, and the legend. So in summary, you must know exactly which chart element is selected before you edit or format your chart. Otherwise, you could inadvertently make common mistakes like moving chart elements around within the chart area when you meant to move the entire chart to a new location in the worksheet, or formatting the entire chart background when you meant to format only a single data series. Alternatively, to select a chart or many major types of chart elements, you can use the Chart Elements drop-down in the Current Selection button group on the Format tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. This drop-down lets you select the major chart elements. However, also note that not all chart elements appear in this drop-down list. For example, while you can select a data series from a chart by using this drop-down, you could not select a single data point within a series by using the drop-down. You would need to use your mouse to select a minor chart element like that. Also note you can click chart elements with your mouse and then look at the value in the Chart Elements drop-down to see exactly which chart object you selected. This is a great way to double-check to ensure you have selected the correct chart element before starting an editing or formatting procedure.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.